All right. Welcome to the Mastery Mentors information session hosted by me, Vinaj, and my partner, Samit. We are trying to start a student-led math initiative that helps accelerate students' growth and progress in competition math, such as math comps and the AMCA. In this information session, we'll dive deeper about our company's purpose, the way classes will be formatted, and how you guys can reach to us if you're interested.
Hello, I'm Samit, and you might be wondering what our purpose is. So our main purpose is to help middle school students become more confident in their problem-solving skills, and it doesn't have to be just in the competition. It could also be in the classroom. So we want to help you grow as a student and expand your passion for math, and our main focus involves helping students like you get prepared for more difficult math in the future.
So how will the class or classes be formatted? The classes will be around 1 hour long, and it can extend by 10 minutes to answer any additional questions that students have. So as we'll dive deeper in the following slides, I'll just do a quick summary of what the classes will be like. So the first 10 minutes will include a warm-up, the middle 40 minutes will be focused on the lesson, and the last 10 minutes will be a fun countdown round and time for questions.
So to go into more depth about the class format, for minutes 1 through 10, we're going to begin with 3 to 5 problems that are focused on the previous week's topics. And this is going to help students remember and not forget the topics from last week. And here we're also going to look at students' work and correct any mistakes they had in the homework.
So for minutes 11 to 25, we will be focusing on the main topic by breaking down key strategies, explaining efficient shortcuts, and showing common competition traps. Through clear explanations and guided examples, students will learn not only how to solve problems, but how to think strategically.
So for minutes 26 through 40, we're going to be working with students through problem, AMCA, and math counts problems that are related to the topics introduced earlier. And here we do guided problem solving to help critical thinking. And later on, we're going to transition to independent classwork so students feel more confident in their own skills under time constraints.
So for minutes 41 to 50, this will be the independent work time, where students will complete a timed set of competition problems independently to show their level of understanding on the concepts. This will require strategic thinking and accuracy under a limited time constraint.
So for minutes 51 through 60, after the students show that they mastered the topic, we're going to close the teaching part with a mock countdown round with problems designed to stimulate competition, pressure, and here we're going to use online buzzer systems similar to Quiz Bowl.
So for minutes 61 to 70 and the homework, we will conclude by giving students an opportunity to ask clarifying questions that consist of current or past topics, and students who don't have any questions are free to leave. We'll also be pushing optional homework weekly to strengthen students' understanding of the topic, and this will allow us to see, and we'll be using Google Classroom, which will allow us to see the students' work and comments that we can easily respond to.
So here are some frequently asked questions. So how much are these classes going to cost? These classes are 100% free. Will there be different classes or math class? So we're going to decide this based on interest and data from the form that we will show you in the next slide. Are these classes in person or virtual? For now, they are virtual, but we may move to some in-person workshops in the summer. Why should I join these classes? These classes, they're going to help you develop your important skills for success in the competitive math counts and AMC environment. And here you can email us with any additional questions at themasterymentors@gmail.com.
Okay, so
And
now
on the next slide, here's your interest form. You can scan this QR code or just go to this link.
all right, so this is the end of our presentation, and we really hope to be seeing you in our classes and help you guys achieve your goals in competition math. Whether you're just beginning or you're a seasoned veteran, we want to help elevate your performance.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.